Hey guys, it's roasting time. It's time to get roasted. Normally I get roasted by people, but today I'm going to be roasting a beautiful chicken. So hope you guys enjoy this lovely Easter. Happy Easter Sunday to all. The whole thing about cooking a whole chicken or something whole is about a whole symbolism. So literally, the chicken comes in front of you with these beautiful vegetables. I have all these vegetables. I've got some leeks, I've got some celery, I've got some carrots, and I've got these chote aloo. Now all these vegetables actually are going to go onto the roasting tray. और ये जो मेरा चिकन है मैं उसको अच्छी तरह मैरिनेट करके फिल करके बांध के उसके ऊपर रोस्ट करूँगा. So पहले हम चिकन बनाएंगे. I'm going to roast the chicken. And when the chicken is roasting, we're going to make a fantastic, almost like a pan gravy. So whenever जब मैं chicken खरीदता हूँ, I make sure that I ask my shopkeeper or butcher to actually send me chicken bones. Okay? So chicken का जो sauce बनता है, वो chicken bones के साथ ही बनता है. So I've got my lovely leeks, which I'm going to be arranging here as well. Okay? Beautiful. और ये जो leeks, in case people don't know what leeks are from the spring onion family. Okay? So if you don't get leeks, no problem, spring onion use कर लो. I'm going to be putting these onions, just cutting them into 1 by 2, because जो onions जब roast होके आते हैं ना और उनका जो flavor है ना, it's just unbelievable. So we're going to be adding some onions as well here. Beautiful, look at it. It's already looking good. We have some lovely herbs which I'm going to be adding here. Some rosemary, थोड़ी सी thyme. Okay, lovely. Look at that. People say carrots are boring. I don't think so. I think carrots are very, very interesting for me. अगर आप roast करो ना carrots, वो जो उसका flavor है ना, it's so intense. It's amazing. Try roasting carrots. So I'm going to just cut these into little batons like this. Okay. Lovely. So really nice long chunky pieces. Lovely. Celery is also very aromatic, very flavorful. Okay. तो ये जो celery के पत्ते हैं मैं इसका सूप बनाता हूँ. I make a pesto with it. So then we have these lovely potatoes. Okay. ये पूरी तैयारी की डिश होती है भैया. Okay, so we've got our this whole mat of this lovely stuff. Fennel, okay? Fennel, aniseed family, very aromatic, very lovely, which we're just going to be cutting this into just pieces like this, cut into quarters, and these make really good side dishes, okay? And this reminds me of the days when I used to work with the Italians, और हम इसे कहते हैं finocchio, that means fennel, okay? तो हमने ये डाल दिया है. Now let's season our base, okay? So we have some salt here, fantastic, because ये जो है, it's a dish by itself, okay? These are oven roasted beautiful vegetables, which अगर आप, even if I'm not doing the chicken today, if I put a little bit of olive oil, put it inside the oven, voila, this is just fabulous. I've got this whole cloves of garlic, which I'm going to be putting here as well. Okay. Fantastic. Now look at this tray. This is what I call a lovely tray. Now we're going to be adding a little bit of a very light vegetable oil here. A little more salt. Okay. And then some pepper. So ये जो हमारी roast chicken की जो tray है, ये तैयार हो गई है. Now next, let's move on to our chicken. So we have our chicken here. Okay. Now chicken is always good. We like to fill it. We like to stuff the cavity. So we have this lovely chicken. Make sure you pat dry your chicken. We also brine our chicken sometimes. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt inside here. And then what I'm going to do, ये जो हमारी जो fennel की जो पूरे trimmings जो है, stems जो है, हम इसमें डाल रहे हैं. Okay. I'm going to be adding half a lemon or 1 lemon inside, a little bit of garlic, okay? You just smash the garlic a little lightly. अरे मैं तो कुछ भूल गया boss. Preheating the oven is very important. Hello. So I'm going to go for 90 minutes. I'm going to go for the full Monty roast, and we're going to start off like about 170 to 180 degrees, and then we'll turn it up. Thyme भी डाल सकते हैं अंदर, just a little bit of thyme. Okay, all these are going to add a lot of flavor inside your chicken. Okay, I have some string. Okay, you'll need about 1, 2, 3, about 4. Okay, so I'm going to cut this off here. Great. Put this, tuck it underneath here. Okay, और फिर हम इसको we tie it around here. Then we tie it a little around, और फिर we just take it around the legs, okay, and just put a knot to it. Okay, so you've secured the bird. You can even take this down and you just put these on the side, and we've got a perfectly tied bird here. Let's season it over this. A little bit of paprika. Turn this over. A little more salt on the bird. Oh yeah, beautiful. Give this a little massage. Lovely. Right here, over this, and look at that. Some oil. Yes. So I would say about almost 60 minutes with the temperatures changing. The next thing we have to do is make a nice sauce, okay? अभी मैं इसको bones को अच्छी तरह brown करूँगा. I've got some chicken bones, yes. I'm going to be using these leeks, okay? I'm going to be using some of these celery sticks or celery stalks. I'm going to be adding some carrot. Beautiful, okay? I have 1 white onion here. तो ये जो vegetables जो है ना, they give a really good flavor, okay? Perfect. अभी हम इसमें add a little bit of oil. So we've got a couple of bay leaves which I'm going to be using. Some rosemary, a little bit of thyme, some garlic. Beautiful. And then we have our bones. तो हम ये bones को brown करने वाले हैं, okay? I'm trying to make a nice brown chicken gravy with this, okay? Next, we have our vegetables going in here. अभी हम इसे अच्छी तरह भूनेंगे. At the same time, you have to scrape all the goodness at the bottom of your pan. Yes. अब हम इसमें डालेंगे हल्का सा tomato paste, okay? And I'm going to be adding a little bit of tomato puree as well. और इसके साथ हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा soya sauce. I like to add soya sauce, adds nice umami, gives a really nice, beautiful, meaty flavor. So now we're just going to give this a little mix. First class. And now we just going to top it up with some water. Nice. Now we're going to let this simmer करीबन 30 या 40 मिनट के लिए। उसके बाद हम इसे स्ट्रेन करेंगे, रिड्यूस करेंगे और हमारी शानदार चिकन की ग्रेवी रेडी है। और तब तक हमारा ईस्टर रोस्ट चिकन भी रेडी हो जाएगा। Oh yes, beautiful. Now that's what I call a lovely Easter roast. Look at that, gorgeous, nice, lovely. Now that's what I call a roast. So we can arrange this beautifully, okay? And this is the whole beauty about जब पूरी डिश आपके सामने आती है, पूरी फैमिली बैठी है and everybody is just talking about good things in life. That's why I think the best company and the best conversation starts actually around food. So all these carrots, leeks are beautifully cooked. They made a fantastic mat for the chicken to cook. Lovely charred carrots here. Leeks have become nice and soft. The garlic has also become beautiful. और थोड़ी सी rosemary. Beautiful. और ये हमारी beautiful chicken gravy. So as you know, roasted the bones along with onions, garlic, leeks, celery. अच्छी तरह भूना, tomato paste, tomato puree, game changer, light soy sauce. अच्छी तरह भूना, पानी के साथ reduce, strain, and look, a beautiful, lovely, rich chicken gravy. And all I can say is wishing you all a very happy Easter from mine to yours. Lots of love and keep eating well, stay healthy and love your family. See you soon. Bring the funk back.